My beloved child, pause here. Do not scroll. This message is for you. I see the weight you are carrying. I see the battles you never talk about. I see the tears you wipe away in silence when no one is watching. You may feel tired. You may feel overwhelmed. You may feel like you are standing alone. But hear me clearly today. You are not alone. I am with you. I have been with you in the nights when sleep would not come. I have been with you in the moments when fear tried to take over your heart. I have been with you when you felt weak, confused, and unsure of your next step. My beloved child, I will protect you. I am your shield when danger surrounds you. I am your refuge when the storm grows loud. I am your strength when your own strength runs out. You worry about tomorrow, but I already stand in your future. You fear what you cannot control, but everything is already in my hands. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. What tries to harm you will not succeed. What tries to break you will only make you stronger in me. I know the plans I have for you. Plans not to harm you, but to give you hope, peace, and a future. My beloved child, listen to me. You do not need to fight every battle. Some battles are not meant for your hands. They are meant for my power. Be still. Let me fight for you. I see how people have misunderstood you. I see how words have wounded you. I see how betrayal has shaken your trust. But do not harden your heart. Do not let bitterness live inside you. I am your defender. I am your vindicator. What was done in secret, I will bring into the light. What was meant to destroy you, I will turn for your good. I will protect your heart. I will protect your mind. I will protect your path. When you walk into places that feel uncertain, I walk ahead of you. When doors close and you don't understand why, trust me, I am saving you from what you cannot see. When doors open suddenly, walk in with humility, knowing I prepared it for you. My beloved child, do not be afraid. Fear does not come from me. Peace comes from me. I am the Prince of Peace, and I speak peace over your life right now. Peace over your thoughts. Peace over your emotions. Peace over your home. Peace over your future. I know you feel like giving up sometimes. I know you question your worth. I know you ask, Lord, am I enough? Hear me clearly. You are enough because I chose you. You are loved because I love you. You are protected because you belong to me. I did not bring you this far to leave you now. I carried you when you were weak. I guided you when you were lost. I healed you when you were broken. And I will continue to walk with you. Even now, as you listen to these words, my spirit is surrounding you. I am calming what is anxious. I am healing what is wounded. I am strengthening what is weak. My beloved child, trust me. Trust me with your family. Trust me with your finances. Trust me with your health. Trust me with your unanswered prayers. I hear every prayer you whisper. I collect every tear you cry. Nothing about your life is unnoticed by me. When the world feels unsafe, remember you are safe in my hands. When darkness tries to creep in, remember I am the light. When you feel small, remember I am big and I am for you. I will protect you when you sleep. I will protect you when you wake. I will protect you when you go out and when you come in. My angels are surrounding you. My grace is covering you. My favor is resting upon you. Do not rush. Do not panic. Do not fear. Walk forward in faith. I am opening the right paths. I am closing the wrong ones. I am aligning things in ways you do not yet understand. But one day you will look back and say, thank you, Lord, for protecting me even when I didn't know I needed it. My beloved child, stay close to me, talk to me, trust me, follow me. And remember this always, I will never leave you. I will never forsake you. I will always protect you. You are mine, and nothing can take you out of my hands.